This is the RTL code for UART. UART stands for Universal Asynchronous Receiver-Transformer. This is one of the most important communication protocol in the electronics and VLSI basics. It is used for communication between two devices. These are used to exchange data in between the two chips. They use only three lines. One is the transmit, receive, and ground, which may decrease the usage of wiring complexity. This UART can be worked with many systems. In this receiver and transmitter, this receiver receives the serial data and the transmitter sends the serial data. One is the receiver and the other is the transmitter part. The simple frame format can be start 8 bits of data and then the stop. Only 3 text can be added in the basic UART frame. In this UART uses heavy FSMs. FFM stands for finite state machine. There can be also two FSMs. One can be the receiver FSM and the transmitter FSM. The counters are also needed in this UART, and there can be some more signals in the UART. There can be TX out, which means the output, serial output, and the TX busy, which might be the active transmission line, which will be always active and can be called as the transmitter active. And data in can be the input, parallel input of data, and data valid can be start transmission. These are the transmission signals. And coming to the receiver signals, there can be RX in, which is the serial input, and the data out can be the received byte of data, and the data received is received completely. And UART is very famous and popular because of its cheap cost, which can be moreover easy to debug the system. And this is the RTL code for the UART. And in this terminal, we have got the overall data or the table of the UART, which can be the output of the UART. And see the dump VCD, UART, SIM, UART test bench, and UART RTL code. All the codes have been saved in these 4 files. Coming to the GTK wave, in this, see the clock reset in TX out and RX in. TX out is the transmitted serial output, and RX in is the serial input. Data in is 7:0. Data out, which is displayed here. Data ready is the complete received data, and TX-BZ is the TX transmission active line. So in this is the output of the UART, Universal Asynchronous Receiver-Transmitter, one of the communication protocol in the electronics field.